This is the other thing, my friend. Look, there's three in a row. You see this? And it's constant grid lines. And I mean, you know, the UK government, the UK Prime Minister, has openly said there's £50 million of funding for atmospheric spraying to dim the sun. I mean, there's no hidden agenda. It's right out in the open. Although it used to be hidden. But I mean, you... This is what we fund. This is what's being funded. At least we've got some happy cats in the back door, look. This one here, this ginger cat, it is like a tiger, and she will roar like a tiger. And that is them facing off, look. Don't know if you heard the roar, but she thinks she's a tiger. She's waiting for a nice piece of chicken.